We girls have our troubles. Just fits.
What are you looking at? Oh, pardon me.
Open up. Open the door. Open up the door. Open it. Open.
Who's there?
Open. It's I.
Oh, it's you. Oh,
Arr.
oh.
Come away with me, Lucille, in my great big automobile. Down the road of life we'll fly, automobiling, you and I. To the church we'll swiftly steal, then our wedding bells will peal. You can go as far as you like with me in my great big automobile.
Oh, my operation. Go away, you big baboon, or I'll knock you for a roll of loops and make it soon. You're the type that should be taken out and drowned. You give me an awful pain when you're around. When I want to take a little auto ride around the town, I'll pick out the kind of guy who doesn't always try to clown. You can pack your little trunk and get in that rusty pile of junk that you try to pass off as an automobile.
Come on. I have my Oldsmobile outside.
Many people thought the automobile would never replace the horse, but it certainly took the place of the parlor sofa on a Sunday afternoon. Those old cars looked funny, but they struggled along in spite of the horse laughs. Let's all sing about the old olds that's still rolling right along. Now follow the ball.
Young Johnny Steele has an Oldsmobile. He loves a dear little girl. She is the queen of his gas machine. She has his heart in a whirl. Now when they go for a spin, you know, she tries to learn the auto. So he lets her steer while he gets her ear and whispers soft and low. Come away with me, Lucille, in my merry Oldsmobile. Down the road of life we'll fly, automobiling, you and I. To the church we'll swiftly steal, then our wedding bells will peal. You can go as far as you like with me in my merry Oldsmobile. Young Johnny Steele has an Oldsmobile. He loves a dear little girl.
And a girl.
She is the queen of his gas machine. She has his heart in a whirl. Now when they go for a spin, you know, she tries to learn the art or so. She lets her steer while he gets her ear and whispers soft
I pronounce you man and wife.